I'll make it by. Price of diesel's getting mighty high. I live on caffeine and borrowed time, stretching a nickel into a dime. The G-man, the T-man, the highway cop try to slow me down, but they can't make me stop. I keep on trucking,
Keep on trucking.
yeah, I keep on trucking.
Keep on trucking.
These 18 wheels ain't stopping for nothing. When the going gets tough, I'll just keep on trucking. Stop Friday night down in Louisiana, grooving to the tunes of the Roadhouse band, raising the roof off that little bar, sweating out a tune for a tip in a jar. More power to you if you do what you love. Keep pushing back when push comes to shove. Keep on trucking,
Keep on trucking.
yeah, I keep on trucking.
Keep on trucking.
Hey man, don't slow down and don't stop for nothing. When the going gets tough, you just keep on trucking. Center line. The devil's always messing with my mind. He pulls me to the left, he pulls me to the right. We end up in the ditch in a hell of a fight. Well, sometimes I lose, baby, sometimes I win. I'll always end up on a highway again. And I keep on trucking.
Keep on trucking.
Yeah, I keep on trucking.
Keep on trucking.
When the hill gets steep and it starts to rain, I just get down and hit the hammer again. 'Cause I keep on trucking.
Keep on
Yeah, yeah, keep on trucking.
Keep on trucking.
These 18 wheels ain't stopping for nothing. When the going gets tough, I'll just keep on trucking. I'm gonna keep on trucking. Keep on.
Well, I pulled out of Pittsburgh, rolling down the eastern seaboard. I've got my diesel wound up and she's running like never before. There's a speed zone ahead, but alright, I don't see a cop in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. I got 10 forward gears and a Georgie overdrive. I'm passing little white lines and my eyes are open wide. Just past a Jimmy and a white, I've been passing everything in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Well, it seems like a month since I kissed my baby goodbye. I could have a lot of women, but I'm not like some other guy. I could find one to hold me tight, but I can never make believe it's right. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Well, the ICC is a checking on down the line. I'm a little overweight and my logbook's are way behind. But nothing bothers me tonight. I can dodge all the scales alright. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. My rig's a little old, but that don't mean she's slow. There's a flame from her stack and the smoke's rolling black as coal. My hometown's coming in sight. If you think I'm happy, alright. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight.